So sum of n terms of AP, n Sn equals to n by 2 within bracket A plus L. What is n? N is the number of terms. A is what? N is number of terms. A is first term and L is last term. This point is clear. This is the sum of n terms of AP. Now after this there is another formula. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is the common difference. So these are the two formulae. It is clear. Now see the questions. Here at exercise 9.3. You can see here, for example, question number 11. If the sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 36, sum of first 6 terms means S6 is 36, and that of first 16 terms, it is given 256. Find the sum of the first and 10 terms. You have to find the sum of first 10 terms. So see here, पहले 6 टर्म्स का सम इतना है, फर्स्ट 16 टर्म्स का सम इतना है, हमको पहले 10 टर्म्स का सम फाइंड आउट करना है. So we will use this equation and make two equations in A and D. So see here, from Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S6, what will be n now? अब n की वैल्यू क्या होगी बोलो?
Sir, 6.
It will be 6. 6 upon 2. 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So 6 upon 2, S6 is already 36. 6 upon 2 is 3. This is 2a plus 5d. Now see here, 3 1 जा 3 and 3 को divide करेंगे, क्या आ जाएगा? 12. So this equation will become 2a plus 5d equals to 12. Is it okay? समझ में आए? Now similarly S16. What will be the S16? So in S16, what will be? N will be 16. 16 upon 2. 2a plus, in place of n you can write 16 minus 1 into d. So this will be S16 is 256. This is 2a plus 15d. So what will be 2a plus 15d? It will be 256 upon 8. 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja, 24 2 ja, this. So 2a plus 15d equals to 32. Now this is the second equation and the first equation is this. This is the first equation. 2a plus 5d equals to 12. 2a plus 5d equals to 12. Now on solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So here we will subtract 2a plus 15d equals to 32, 2a plus 5d equals to 12. When you will subtract, sign will be changed. This is cancelled. 10d equals to 20. So d equals to 2. D equals to 2. Now substitute d equals to 2 in equation 1. D equals to 2 in equation 1. So 2a plus 5 into 2 equals to 12. So 2a equals to 12 minus 10, that is equals to 2. So a equals to 1. A equals to 1. It is clear? Now you have
Yes.
found a equals to 1 and d equals to 2. Now you have to find the sum of 10 terms. So what will be sum of first 10 terms? It will be S10 equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So we can substitute and find. Now I am not doing further. It's clear what will be n here. N will be 10. N will be equal to 10. 2a 2 into 1 plus 10 minus 1 into t is how much? 2. So now you can do. कर लोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Now see the some more questions. Here question number 10, third part. This question has been asked in 2018. The fourth term of AP is 22. किस सिंबल से डिनोट करेंगे? फोर्थ टर्म 22 है. बताओ फोर्थ टर्म का सिंबल क्या होगा?
A4.
A4 22. And 15th term is 66. A15 is 66. You have to find the first term and common difference. Means you have to determine A and D. Hence sum of the first n terms. Then after that you have to find S8 also. So this is also very simple. यहाँ कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करेंगे? ए एन वाला फार्मूला, ए एन वाला, ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. It's clear? So see here. From En equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. चारू सुनाई दे रहा है?
सर वीडियो ही नहीं आ रहा है.
तो फिर तुम्हारी तरफ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है ना. A4 will be equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. A4 is given 22. A plus 3D. So A plus 3D equals to 22. This is the first equation. It's clear? Then A15. A plus 15 minus 1 into D. So A15 is given 66. So A plus 14D. A plus 14D equals to 66. This is the second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. By solving these two equations, we can get A and D. It's clear? So I'm solving. Equation 1 and 2. So A plus 14D equals to 66. A plus 3D equals to 22. So when you will subtract, A and A cancel. 14 minus 3 equals to 44. So what will be D? Equals to 4. D equals to 4. So from equation 1, A plus 3D equals to 22. So it will be A plus you can say A plus 3 into 4, 22. So A equals to 22 minus 12, that is equals to 10. A equals to 10. It is clear? D equals to 4. So now we can find S8. What will be S8 here? Now, sum of first 8 terms. S8 equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What will be the value of n here? N is 8 by 2. 2 is how much? 10 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1, and d is 4. D you have calculated 4. So this will be equals to 4. 10 2 ja 20. That is 4. This is 20 plus 28. 192. So sum of first n terms will be 8 terms will be 192. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
किसके किसके यहाँ नहीं आ रहा है?
सर मेरे
Now see here, see the question number 11. If the sum of the first 6 terms of EP is 36,
3 हो
that is
चुका है.
हो चुका. You can see question number 12. So that A1, A2, A3 and so on form an AP. If AN equals to 3 plus 4N, and also find the sum of first 15 terms, that is S15. Now see here, there are two parts in this question. तुमको पहले ये बताना है कि ये एपी में है. अगर एन इतना हो तो किसी सीरीज ऑफ नंबर्स को एपी में कैसे प्रूव करेंगे, ये शो कर दें कि उसके कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स का डिफरेंस क्या है, बराबर है. कोई अगर सीरीज ऑफ नंबर्स दी है और हमको ये दिखाना है कि वो एपी में है, तो हम क्या शो कर दें, ये शो करें कि उसके कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स का डिफरेंस क्या है, बराबर है. तो यहाँ तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स तो पता नहीं, पर nth टर्म पता है. सो फ्रॉम हियर बाय taking 1, 2, 3 you can find a1, a2 and a3. So what will be a1 here? So 3 plus 4 into 1 equals to 7. What is a2? 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 11. What is a3? 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 3 plus 12, that is 15. So a1, a2, a3 you have found. Now you find out a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. It is 11 minus 7, 4. Then you find out a3 minus a2. 15 minus 11, 4. So since common difference between consecutive terms is same, therefore series of numbers is in AP. Series of numbers is in AP. Now what is A here? A कितना है बोलो?
7.
What will be the A here? A will
7.
7. What will be D?
4.
4.
So A equals to 7, D equals to 4. Now you have to find the sum of first 15 term. So sum of first 15 terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n here?
15.
15.
15. So S15. 2a2 into 7 plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 into d is how much? 4. Seven two ja 14. So it is 15 by 2. 14 plus 24 upon 2. That is 19. So this is 285. S15 equals to 285. It is clear? ये समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
सर ये n की जगह पे 7 लिखा हुआ है.
ये तो 2a है.
नहीं सर, जो n-1 इंटू टी में जो n है उसमें
ये
15
गलत कर गए, ये गलत कर गए। हाँ, here there will be, in place of n there will be 15, so 15, so it will be equal to 14. It's clear? 14 4 ja 56, so it will be equal to, you can see here, 15 upon 2, 35, 525. Now it is correct.
यस सर।
So now in this exercise you do the questions up to 16 only. After that no need. Only up to the question number 16. No need to do other questions. क्वेश्चंस तुम्हारे यहाँ कैसे आएंगे हम तुमको बता रहे हैं। किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है दैट 10th term is this, 15th term is this, find out the sum of this much number of terms, find out the sum of the first 8 terms। आए समझे? इस तरीके से ये चीज समझ में आई? या ये
Yes,
आ
sir.
सकता है that 15th term is this and 20th term is 12 more than the 10th term। मतलब क्या होगा? कुछ ऐसा होगा कि तुम्हारी दो इक्वेशंस बन जाएंगी ए और डी में, उनको सॉल्व करो और फिर क्या है, जितने टर्म्स का सम निकालने को बोला गया वो फाइंड आउट करो। एक क्वेश्चन और बता रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। नाउ जीपी इज नॉट इन योर कोर्स, रिड्यूस्ड सिलेबस से जीपी हटा दिया गया। Now see here, question number 14. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. Sum of first 6 terms, that is S6, is 42. The ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term, A10 upon A30. This is given 1 upon 3. Calculate the first and 13th term. You have to find first term and 13th term. It is clear? So see here, S6 equals to, what is n here?
6
N minus 1 into D. 2a plus 6 minus 1 into D. It is 42. So 42 equals to 3. 2a plus 5d. So 3 1 ja and 3 14 ja. 2a plus 5d equals to 14. This is equation 1. Then from here you can get the second equation from this. So A10 upon A30, 1 upon 3. What is A10? A plus upon A plus 30 minus 1 into D equals to 1 upon 3. So A plus 9D upon A plus 29D equals to 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. When you will cross multiply, it will become A plus 9D equals to a plus 29d. So 3a plus 27d equals to a plus 29d. So see here, it will be 3a minus a equals to 29d minus, so 2a equals to 2d. So a equals to d. A will be equal to d. Now from 1, 2a plus 5d equals to 14. So in place of d, you write down a. So 7a equals to 14. So what will be a? A equals to 2. D is also equals to 2 because both are equal. So first term is what? A equals to 2 and a 13th. A plus 13 minus 1 into t. So a is given 2. 13 minus 1, 12 into 2. 2 plus 24, that is equals to 26. So what is 13th term? Twenty-six. Now see the question number 15 also. Question number 15. Here it is given, in an AP the sum of the first 10 terms, Sn is given 6n minus n square. Find the 25th term, A25. So see here what will be S1. S1 will be 6 into 1 minus 1 square. That is 6 minus 1 equals to 5. What is S2? 6 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Now see here S1 equals to A. S1 तो पहले टर्म का सम मतलब वो A होगा. So A equals to here 5. S2 equals to A1 plus A2. It is clear, which is given 8. Now the first term you have already found, that it is 5. A1 equals to A equals to 5. So from here 5 plus A2 equals to 8. So what will be A2? 3. So see here first term is A1 equals to 5, A2 equals to 3. So what would be D? A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. This point is clear? अब तुमको पता होगा A equals to 5, D equals to minus 2. So you can find A25. A plus, that is equals to A25 is how much? A is how much? 5. 25 minus 1, 24. D is minus 2. So it is 5 minus 48. It is minus 43. It is minus 43. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So